Today on Lone Star Grills, we're going to show you how to smoke up a 15-pound brisket in 5 hours. That's right, hot and fast brisket today on the Lone Star Grillz El Patron. This method is so simple and fast that you won't believe it, and the result is some of the most tender and juicy brisket that you've ever seen. We have here a 15-pound brisket, and we're going to begin by trimming. And this isn't competition barbecue, so we're going to keep it real simple. There is no need to overcomplicate things. Start by removing as much of the hard fat and silver skin from the top of the brisket as possible. And don't get too crazy with this. We don't want to have a bunch of waste. We just want to clean that top as best as we can. The two most important ideas when trimming are to expose as much of that meat as possible for the rub to stick to, and to create an aerodynamic surface so that the moisture can run off the brisket when cooking and not pool on the surface. This is what's going to give you an amazing bark. Be sure to remove anything discolored from around the edges and take the fat side down to approximately 1/4 inch in thickness. Now we'll season this entire thing up with our LSG Texas Fusion. Be sure to be especially generous with this on the top side. And for the best results, you can do all this prep the day before. Then just place this into a foil pan and put it in the refrigerator overnight the day before the cook. We'll be doing today's cook on our Lone Star Grillz El Patron, also known as the Boss. It's the most versatile grill and smoker that we make. In fact, you can think of it like the Swiss Army knife of barbecue. It can grill, smoke, do direct heat, indirect heat, bake, searing, rotisserie, and it's even a pizza oven. For today's cook, we'll be starting a medium to large size fire with a hot bed of coals and a couple splits. We'll be using a mixture of hickory and oak today. We're set up for indirect heat with our deflector plates under the grates. Our target temperature range for today's cook is 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Open up your top and bottom vents all the way until you get close to your target temperature, then start dialing back those vents until you get that range locked in. Then get your brisket on, close the lid, and begin cooking. And of course, add splits as needed throughout the cook to maintain our desired temperature. You can optionally monitor temperatures with your favorite temperature probe. The first part of this cook is all about developing bark. Once our bark is fully set, we'll be ready to wrap. For today specifically, our brisket hit about 172 degrees Fahrenheit before the bark was fully set. And you'll know that when you touch it and it doesn't move. And now that the bark is set, it's time to wrap. We're going to be using butcher paper and tin foil today. The butcher paper will help preserve the bark, and the tin foil will help speed up the tenderizing process. First, wrap the brisket in butcher paper, then wrap the entire thing in tin foil. Make sure it's nice and tight, then get it right back on El Patron. Continue to monitor temperatures and check for tenderness. When your probe goes into the brisket like it's going into a jar of peanut butter, this brisket is done. That will most often happen at a temperature of about 203 to 206 Fahrenheit, but it can be a little more or a little less. So monitor closely and make sure to remove it from the heat when it's ready. As soon as you remove it from the smoker, it's important to stop the cooking process. So we're going to let this rest on the counter vented for about 20 minutes. Then wrap it back up and get it into a cooler or a Cambro for about 1 to 2 hours before slicing. And after a 5-hour cook and an hour or two's worth of rest, take a look at these results. Perfectly juicy, tender, and an absolutely incredible bark. All this in less than half the time of a traditional cook. You might never do your brisket low and slow again. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We truly appreciate it, and if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.